Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your Rndr bull run update. All right, because it has continued. We covered this yesterday, and then what we talked about, if you still remember, the analysis was fortunately correct. Because what we talked about is that the price was right here between 3.1 and 3.2. And what I said was, well, if it breaks above 3.2, it's going up to 3.5. And I do expect that. And in the end, it did not manage to break above 3.2, but it did break above 3.1. And you can see that it took that break retest off of 3.1. So it counted as a bullish breakout and then continued up to our price target at 3.5. Psychological level, normal key level. So that really was the price target. But it's still very bullish. All right, Rndr right now is doing great. There's always, like right now, there's a little bit of AI momentum, right, with Sam Altman and everything that happened there. So usually what you see is that also affects projects like Rndr, all right, because Rndr obviously is distributed GPU rendering, and well, the idea is that for huge machine learning algorithms, you need distributed computing. So then Rndr goes up as well. I think technically it's a little bit difficult, more difficult than that, because Rndr network has never been used for something like a huge machine learning algorithm. And I also think technologically that's impossible, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it's still bullish. All right, so that is what matters, the price action, and that is very, very true. I mean, if you look at this open interest, obviously we had that spike on Thursday, but right now open interest is growing and it's higher. All right, and it has stopped for the last 2 hours, unfortunately. But it still is bullish, and 3.5 is a great resistance level. You can also see that it respected that, but Rndr has also broken above that right now. Has broken above that while the open interest is still very strong, and while there's some sort of an AI, well, not an AI narrative starting, but one now that the AI narrative has momentum. So I would say there's no reason why Rndr would fall right now, and the next price target, if we really take a look at that, is, well, there's a bit of a level at 3.8, but obviously $4 is the big psychological resistance level, and I see no reason why it would not get there. It's yeah, and after that it could also spike a little bit higher, but I really think that's the main level. Let's say between 3.9 and $4. That seems most likely that the price will get up there, and then from there find resistance. All right, because it's not normal that Rndr finds so little resistance at 3.5. Usually, look, it's great. Right now it has broken above that level, so it is very bullish. And that's great to see. But it does mean that the probability of finding resistance at the next level is higher. So unless we get a huge AI bull run, which is not what I expect, I expect Rndr to keep its momentum to get up to that next price target, and then from there get some bearish momentum, and like drop down to 3.5, and then if it holds 3.5 after falling down from $4, potentially it could go higher, but that is something for the future. All right, I'll keep you updated on that. It's usually when cryptos are so volatile and so bullish and a lot is possible, usually it's better to just update it daily. All right, so that's what you can expect from me, as long as it keeps moving. For now, this is what I expect. If for some reason Rndr falls down below 3.5, probably something has happened. I was wrong then, because if now it breaks below 3.5 again, it's just bearish. All right, then 3.5 is the main resistance. It looks very unlikely right now, but it's a possibility. And then Rndr will just fall back down to 3.2 and $3, that area. All right, so that's my full analysis for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, if you're interested, as you can see at the top right there, in my premium group or signal group, check out the links down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.